is equal to n, the option A is correct. If delta is equal to, the first row is ax minus by minus cz, ay plus bx, cx plus az. Second row is ay plus bx, by minus cz minus ax, bz plus cy, cx plus az, bz plus cy, cz minus ax minus by. Then delta is divisible by, the options are x square plus y square plus z square. Second option, a square plus b square plus c square. Third option, ax plus by plus cz. And the last option is none of these. Let delta be equal to the given determinant, that is ax minus by minus cz, ay plus bx, cx plus az, ay plus bx, by minus cz minus ax, bz plus cy, cx plus az, bz plus cy, and cz minus ax minus by. Operate. C1 goes to 1 by x times C1 plus y times C2 plus z times C3. This 1 by x multiplier will remain outside, and we are adding x times column 1, y times column 2 and z times column 3. We get in the first column as a times x square plus y square plus z square, b times x square plus y square plus z square, and c times x square plus y square plus z square. Second column is ay plus bx, by minus cz minus ax, bz plus cy. The third column becomes cx plus az, bz plus cy, cz minus ax minus by. Pulling out x square plus y square plus z square from the column 1, we get the multiplier x square plus y square plus z square upon x. The first column remains ABC. The second column ay plus bx, by minus cz minus x, bz plus cy, cx plus az. Third column bz plus cy and cz minus ax minus by. Now we operate. R1 goes to 1 by a times R1, b times R2 plus c times R3. Here 1 by a will remain outside, so we are adding a times the first row, b times the second row and c times the third row. So we get x square plus y square plus z square upon ax, and the first row becomes a square plus b square plus c square. Second row becomes y times a square plus b square plus c square, and z times a square plus b square c square. Second row becomes by minus cz minus ax, bz plus cy. The third row becomes c, bz plus cy, cz minus ax minus by. Pulling out a square plus b square plus c square common from the first row, we get x square plus y square plus z square times a square plus b square plus c square upon ax. We get the remaining determinant as first row 1 y z, second row by minus cz minus x, bz plus cy. The third row becomes c, bz plus cy, cz minus ax minus by. Now we operate. R2 goes to R2 minus b times R1, and R3 goes to R3 minus C times R1. We get the multiplier is x squared plus y squared plus z squared into a squared plus b squared plus c squared upon ax. The first row remains same, 1, y and z. Second row becomes 0, minus ax minus cz and cy. The third row becomes 0, bz minus ax minus by. Expanding the determinant now, we get the multiplier is x squared plus y squared plus z squared times a squared plus b squared plus c squared divided by ax, and inside we get a square x squared axby axcz plus bycz minus bycz. The last two terms cancel and we pull out ax common from the remaining three terms, which cancels with the denominator, and we are left with the third factor as ax plus by plus cz. Hence the product is x squared plus y squared plus z squared, a squared plus b squared plus c squared times ax plus by plus cz. Hence all the three options A, B, C are correct.